It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 16th of July. I'm Michael Groff. A typical monsoon forecast in effect for the next couple of days. Chances of showers and thunderstorms, warm and muggy conditions. But as we get later into the week, the rain chances will start going down. The temperatures will start coming up. That's the unfortunate trade-off this time of year. And it looks like we could be in for a prolonged heat wave. Let's get out there and talk about it first. 100 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 88. No rain in the bucket at Sky Harbor, as we did see plenty of cloud cover and widely scattered showers around through the day and through much of the weekend. Outside right now, we continue with that. Mostly cloudy skies, and it's warm and soupy out there here just before 5 a.m. 86 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 68. Humidity 55%. The winds are light. The barometer rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. A few spots seeing some rain-cooled air. They're down in the 70s, but most of us are in the 80s. Check out the radar this morning. Scattered showers, a few embedded thunderstorms, mostly light but occasional moderate rain. So on your commute this morning, you might run into that. Most of us probably won't see much of anything, though. The upper air look across the country, and we are again dominated by a ridge here across the west. Still somewhat disorganized in nature. Light steering flow aloft, mostly from the east. And little disturbances getting caught up in that and developing as shower and thunderstorm activity develops. And we have one such disturbance right now over east central Arizona, which may enhance shower and storm activity. The watch warning map, we still have an air quality alert for elevated ozone here in Phoenix. That's not going away anytime soon. Elsewhere, a few flash flood watches across parts of New Mexico. Heat advisories still in the west with excessive heat as well. And also heat advisories in parts of the Central Plains and the Mid-South. And in the Northeast, some dense fog advisories this morning. Convective outlook for today, a risk of severe weather north of the state and out into the plains. And another marginal risk up across parts of the Great Lakes. Rainfall for the next 7 days, around 1/4 inch here in the valley and anywhere from 1 to 2+ inches over the rim country of northern and eastern Arizona. And let's talk about the details of our weather. We'll look at the models and see where that takes us. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. We start with the upper look. This is at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. An elongated ridge here across the southwest, an easterly flow. Little disturbances, perturbations in the atmosphere to help enhance shower and storm activity. And down at the surface today, mostly cloudy skies here in the valley this morning. I think we'll see some sun this afternoon, though. And a slight chance of showers and storms through the day. Highs, once again, upper 90s to around 103. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Lows mainly in the upper 70s in the cool spots, mid-80s in the urban core. Tomorrow, I'd say a slightly better chance of showers and storms as we see slightly better steering flow aloft. So maybe some storms moving off the mountains into the deserts in the afternoon and evening hours. About a 30% chance that we'll see some rain. High temperatures somewhere in the 101 to 104 bracket. And yes, it will still be humid, of course. Wednesday, we'll start to see the weather transitioning a bit. High pressure will slowly begin sliding off to the east, but we'll still have that afternoon and evening chance of showers and thunderstorms in the valley. Highs 102 to 105. About 103 to 107 on Thursday with a continued slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. We'll take it down to a low-grade monsoon. About 105 to 109 on Friday. Again, mostly sunny skies, but that ever-present slight chance of showers and storms. And same thing on Saturday. Although the GFS really doesn't show much of anything statewide for Saturday or Sunday. And here is a week from today. This is Monday, the 23rd of July. And if this is right, high pressure sitting right on top of us. It's a 597 heat bubble there. And looks like we'd be hot and dry. Maybe an isolated shower or storm in the mountains. But here in the deserts, looks like no chance of rain at this point. With high temperatures somewhere between 110 and 114. Same thing for Tuesday. And the end of the forecast period, this is Wednesday the 25th. And again, if this is right, high pressure in an unfavorable position to bring any monsoon moisture in, sitting right over the southwest, right on top of us mainly. So we'd have a westerly flow and high temperatures somewhere in the 110 to 114 range. Could even be hotter than that. Checking the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and you see the trend is up, up, up for the next 7 to 10 days. Then we'll start to level it off as we go into late July and getting toward August. And the monsoon moisture isn't going to be gone for good. It's just going to take a little bit of a break, as is typical during the monsoon season. We see these little breaks, peaks and valleys in moisture and rain chances from time to time. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there, stay cool, stay hydrated, and have yourselves a great Monday.